Alright, so you saw the thumbnail, and it's true. I'm going to show you how to make $100 an hour using Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. It's pretty easy. So first, you want to go to Facebook Marketplace. You want to look for things that you have interest in, things that you buy, purchase. I'm a homeowner, so furniture is a big one for me. So I'll look through the furniture, and I came across this dining table. One thing I like about it was faux marble, which is popular. A lot of people can't afford real marble, and faux marble is looks just as good. It's heavy. It's common. So I saw someone selling. They had an ad that said something along the lines of "everything must go," which I love. If you're in any other selling industry, which you know you love a motivated seller. So I quickly hit them up. What happens is Facebook will give you an automated text like, "Hi, is this available?" You want to erase that as soon as you see it, and you want to type something along the lines of, "I'm interested, can I pick this up today?" You know, action. People go on Facebook Marketplace to make money. They want to make money right now, and you want to let them know that you're looking to help them make money now. So they quickly let me know where they were, and they asked for a time that I can come pick it up. Cool. This is the part you need to make note of. I told them I could pick this up at 5:30 sharp. Are you willing to take 15 for it? So let me tell you this. The initial offer for this dining table was 30 bucks. It's cheap, honestly, but I'm sorry. It's the hog in me. I'm gonna go lower. So I went for 15. They countered with 20. Bet. I told them, okay, that works for me. What is your availability like today? I may be able to come earlier than 5:30. 5:30 worked for them. She gave me an address, a phone number, and an email address because we were going to use Zelle for the payment. And I got that email address after because I called and I asked what form of payment would she prefer, cash, Zelle, and she said Zelle, so she sent me the email as well. So I got to the house. It was a quick exchange. I looked at the dining table, make sure there was no scratches, there was no damage. Everything checked out. I Zelled the cash, loaded the dining table in my truck, got out of there. So spent 20 bucks on the dining table. Fast forward, placed an ad on, I actually placed an ad on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp using the images she gave me. So I didn't have to take any other images. She had really good pictures of it. And that saved me a lot of time as well, because once she gave it to me, the legs were off. I didn't have to reset up the table. I had all the screws. I knew it worked. I knew everything looked and worked well. One thing I probably should have did was set up the table to make sure I didn't get played in any way, but she was an honest seller. Everything looked good. And also I didn't even need to set up the table. And I'll tell you why at the end. So I placed the ad on Facebook Marketplace with the same images that she used to sell it to me. And I got a bite right away. He asked, "Hello, is this table real? And is the price negotiable?" So this was my response. It's faux marble, but it's a durable table with a nice weight to it. Yes, the price is negotiable. So right there, you see that I was honest about what I was selling him, which is key, you know, be a prompt communicator and be honest. Because a lot of times you'll try to oversell this stuff and it's just not worth it, because people know they're getting bargains, they know they're getting deals, they know they're getting gently used items. You might as well tell the truth, because sooner or later you want it in their hands and you want them to be satisfied with it. So you don't want to try to play anybody on this app. Then he asked more questions. Questions are good. A lot of people are annoyed with questions, but questions mean that they're a serious buyer. They want to make sure that they're getting something worthwhile. So he asked, "Is it laminate or realish rock?" It's realish rock. So, and if it wasn't, I probably wouldn't have bought it. That's the first thing I checked for when I bought it from her. So it's realish rock. I told him that. He wrote very interested, which is a little weird, but you know, showing enthusiasm. I liked it. He asked what are the measurements. Told him 5 by 3 feet because I already measured it. He said is the diameter 1 or 2 inches. And then he said sorry for all the questions, and I just reassured him that I don't mind the questions, that to give me a minute to check the diameter, and which I knew he was actually speaking of the thickness of the table because it's not a circle, and he caught that right away, and it was 1 inch, which was great for him. He asked me where I was located. I told him I'm in Chicago, Calumet City. And he asked me where I got it from. And I told him, I don't know. I don't know where this item was purchased. So I was honest about that. And it was fine. He was just telling me he's purchasing it for a client, he's building something, he wants to make sure that it's durable and heavy enough for what he's using it for. It's definitely heavy and it's mimic stone, so I reassured him on that, those details of the product. We scheduled a time and exact location to meet up, and then at the end he gave me his phone number, which then we got a safety note, because technically you're not supposed to give your phone number out. You should handle all these meetups and requests on OfferUp for your safety, but I'm pretty secure on my safety. The final thing I wrote was basically, are we good with the cost? You know, you want to make sure you know what you're getting when you get to location, you're meeting somebody for a handoff, an exchange of money and goods. So once he said that was good, the deal was done. I met him that next day at the time we agreed on, and everything went smooth. And he actually took the table without the legs because he was making a island for a kitchen with the table. So I didn't have to put it together at the end of the day. But it's just always good to check your products before you leave the home that you're purchasing them from. So there you see it. Made $100 off of Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. Less than an hour of work. Honestly, it was super easy, and you can rinse and repeat this over and over and over. You can take the 100 you made, buy more things. You don't have to buy tables. You can buy dressers, couches, chairs, outdoor patio furniture, dirt bikes, rugs, the whole nine. So I hope this video brought you value. I hope that you can get on Facebook Marketplace, buy something for 20 bucks, make $100 in 30 minutes, and rinse and repeat. Hit that like and follow. Bye.